Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 3-35H, the Boiler Safety Valve Nipple for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's open up home. Let's go to Advanced, part MMGS. Okay, so let's go top plane, sketch, circle. First one's going to be 14. Smart dimension. 14. It's going to be extruding of 12. Doesn't have to be mid-plane. Okay, now underneath that, we're going to add sketch to that, another circle, I believe. Nope, sorry, not circle, a hexagon. Oh, that's going to be 16. We're right there. I'll go that way. Doesn't really matter, just personal preference. That's going to be a thickness of 3, so feature, extrude 3, and done. Now on the hexagon, we're going to do another sketch. It's going to be a circle, and that's going to be 12 mil, so smart dimension, 12, and that's going to be extruded of 6, and done. Okay, so now, let's put a hole through first. I was going to do the thread, but let's do the hole first. So sketch on either end, doesn't matter which end, because it's going to be the same dimension all the way through. It's going to be a dimension of 9, so it's going to be, oh, wrong one, oh, thank you. So it's going to be 9 diameter. It's going to be feature, extrude, cut, through all, and done. There you go, all through all, beautiful. Now that was 12, yep. So thread, we want 12 again. Where it's 16, 12. So we want to start there, end there. That's going to be cut thread. That's probably going to be extrude. Turn and turn. Trim and trim, I mean, sorry. Yeah, I got it right way this time. Excellent. Beautiful, looks good. Okay, so we're going to do another hole wizard, thread. This one's going to be 16. No, sorry. 14. Hold on, why is that 16? Did I do that one 16? Oop, that should be in 12. Yeah, it should be in 12, sorry. I thought I clicked on 12. Keep looking at 16 because that's what the hexagon thing is. Okay, that's fixed up. Cool. Okay, let's go thread. Well, let's say it was 14. 14. The first one, bottom one. Then the last one. It's going to be extrude, trim and trim, and done. There we go. That should be done. Alright, that's part 3-35H, the Boiler Safety Valve Nipple done. Next episode, we're going to assemble all this parts that we just did for the last few episodes, 8 episodes something, to form the Boiler Safety Valve. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. You want to see more, subscribe. Thank you everyone that has. Leave comments, I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.